Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to biggest hiring, urgent hiring, direct task is there. Batch of 21, 22, 23, 24, 26 can apply. Salary is 5 to 7 LPA. Like and share the video. Let's start the video, and there is a direct task opportunity. One of the most important point that I have to mention, with everyone support, we are nominated for Topmate Creator Award. Guys, it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to cast your valuable vote. Okay, it is totally free. You have to just go to this link. Okay, there are section. Okay, like I am nominated, you have to click on vote now. You have to click up to 5 times. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the simple process. I want support from all of you. This is related to that, and thank you for voting. And we are also planning some goodies and some special sessions for all of you. TakeU Forward officially announced the opportunity for the freshers batch SWE intern, okay, and full-time opportunity. All details mentioned and might be closing this time anytime soon. SWE hiring full-time TakeU Forward 24 graduation year, okay. Minimum qualification is this. One of the most important point, first round is complete the given task below. So the direct task is there. The task is you have to build a dynamic one-page website with React. 5 to 7 LP is the salary, remote DSA plus project discussion is the second round. For the first round, please submit your task. The deadline for submission is Monday 12 August midnight. Okay, and there is a second opportunity for SW internship for 2026 graduation year. Okay, so there is also direct task. So direct task hiring is there. You have to apply for opportunity ASAP and complete that. Next opportunity is from Bentley. They are hiring for associate software quality analyst. If you are from 21, 22, 23, 24 batch, you can apply for opportunity. Okay, 21 to 24 can apply. Adani is also hiring for front end engineer. It is a skills based opportunity. They not mention any number of year of experience, but the thing is, BTech, MTech, computer science, information technology related field can apply for opportunity. Okay, all hirings are very good for all of you. Like and share the video, and please don't miss the vote. Okay, your one vote will definitely helpful for us. And this award is dedicated to online learning family. Thanks for watching the video.